Hey there, and welcome back to Tech Beginnings. In this video, we'll show you how to manage your iPhone storage and free up space. If your phone is running low on storage and you're tired of those storage almost full warnings, this guide will help you clean things up quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General, then tap iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a breakdown of how your storage is being used: apps, photos, media, messages, and more. You'll also see suggestions from Apple to help free up space. Under the recommendations section, you'll see tips like offload unused apps or review large attachments. These are smart ways to free up space without deleting important stuff. Tap Enable next to any recommendations you want to apply. Next, scroll down to see a list of apps sorted by how much space they use. If you find apps you haven't used in a while, tap on them. You'll see two options: Offload app and Delete app. Offload removes the app but keeps its data, so you can reinstall it later without losing anything. Delete removes the app and its data completely. Photos and videos take up a lot of space. To manage them, open the Photos app and delete anything you don't need. Then go to Albums, scroll down, and tap Recently Deleted. Make sure to empty that too. To clear Safari's cache, go to Settings, scroll down to Safari, then tap Clear History and Website Data. This frees up storage and you can also speed up browsing. Apps like Spotify, Netflix, and podcasts may store offline content. Open those apps and delete any downloaded media you are no longer using. Once you've made some space, it's a good idea to restart your iPhone. This helps clear out temporary files and refreshes the system. And that's it. With these steps, you should have a lot more room on your iPhone and a device that runs a bit more smoothly. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got a question or a trick of your own? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.